Hi everyone. Welcome to Harmony in English, where learning English is an adventure. We'll dive into captivating stories, uncover hidden meanings behind new words and phrases, and test your understanding with fun quizzes. Let's learn together. Rain lashed against the windows, a steady rhythm that lulled me into a peaceful slumber. I snuggled deeper into the covers, the warmth of the comforter a comforting embrace. The sound of the rain was a constant reminder that it was a perfect day to stay indoors, a day for cozy solitude. I stretched lazily, my eyes still heavy with sleep. The clock on the nightstand read 8:30 a.m., a late start for a Saturday. But today, there were no errands to run, no appointments to keep, just the promise of a quiet day to myself. I made my way to the kitchen, the floorboards cool beneath my bare feet. The scent of freshly brewed coffee wafted from the pot, a comforting aroma that filled the air. I poured myself a cup, the warmth seeping into my hands as I sipped it slowly. Back in my room, I curled up on the window seat, a book in hand. The rain continued to fall, each drop a tiny drumbeat against the glass. I lost myself in the pages of the book, the world outside fading away as I was transported to another time and place. Hours passed, the rain eventually subsiding into a gentle drizzle. I glanced at the clock, surprised to find that it was already late afternoon. I had spent the day in blissful solitude, lost in the world of books and the comforting rhythm of the rain. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the room, I lit a candle, its warm glow casting a soft light. I settled into the armchair by the window, a mug of hot chocolate in my hand. The world outside was still damp, but the air was crisp and clean, the scent of petrichor filling the air. I closed my eyes, savoring the quietude, the warmth of the candlelight, the comforting weight of the mug in my hand. It was a day of simple pleasures, a day for rest and reflection, a day that was perfectly, cozily, mine. Here are 8 important words and phrases from the story A Cozy Day in My Life, along with their meanings and examples. Lulled, meaning, to soothe or cause to fall asleep gently. Example, the gentle rocking of the cradle lulled the baby to sleep. Comforter, meaning, a thick, padded bed covering. Example, I snuggled under the warm comforter on the cold winter night. Errands, meaning, short trips to do a particular task. Example, I need to run some errands after work, like picking up groceries and dropping off the dry cleaning. Solitude, meaning, the state or situation of being alone. Example, she enjoyed the solitude of her garden, where she could read and relax without distractions. Engrossed, meaning, absorbed or deeply involved in something. Example, he was so engrossed in his work that he didn't hear the phone ring. Subside, meaning, become less intense, severe, or strong. Example, the storm gradually subsided as the night wore on. Petrichor, meaning, the pleasant earthy smell after rain. Example, I love the smell of petrichor after a summer shower. Quietude, meaning, a state of tranquility or peacefulness. Example, she sought the quietude of the library to study for her exams. I hope this helps. Now, let's see how well you know these words. Time for some question and answer practice. 1. The gentle rocking of the cradle, the baby to sleep. A. Lulled. B. Engrossed. C. Subsides. D. Comforted. I snuggled under the warm. On the cold winter night. A. Solitude. B. Comforter. C. Errands. D. Petrichor. I need to run some after work, like picking up groceries and dropping off the dry cleaning. A. Errands. B. Quietude. C. Solitude. D. Comforters. She enjoyed the of her garden, where she could read and relax without distractions. A. Engrossed. B. Comforter. C. Solitude. D. Petrichor. He was so in his work that he didn't hear the phone ring. A. Engrossed. B. Lulled. C. Subsides. D. Quietude. The storm gradually, as the night wore on. A. Subsides. B. Engrossed. C. Lulled. D. comforted. I love the smell of after a summer shower. A. Quietude. B. Petrichor. C. Errands. D. Solitude. She sought the of the library to study for her exams. A. Quietude. B. Comforter. C. Errands. D. Petrichor.
I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want to learn more.